Yo, how's it going, cruisers? Welcome back, amazing Forex traders. How you're doing, guys? As we all know, I'm back again to break down some pairs, break down some charts, and give you guys potential, predictions. Okay. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, guys, I'm Alex Raphael. Okay. And what I do is I come out here on YouTube to break down, predict, and give you all directions on certain pairs I trade. Okay, pairs like Euro USD, AUD, Pound USD, and the Dow Jones. And yeah, that's just all right. So I won't make this video too long, guys. I have plans to break down a lot of pairs, like a lot of pairs for the new year. These guys, all these guys, all of them, okay, all these guys. But guys, I'll make this video too. Okay, so there will be a part two. This is the part one of this video. So do well to stick to the very end of this video. After this one, you would watch the next one, the part two. All right. So let's dive into the charts. First is Euro USD, guys. All right. So I know everyone has been telling me. I've been like, guys, I'm seeing the messages on your Telegram that we are kind of buying. Everyone is like buying, let's buy, let's buy. I know we are seeing this guys be broken. Yes, it's a buy sign for us. But guys, I'm not really favoring the upside now. This buy side, I'm kind of neutral. Okay, I'm neutral. Why? Because the market is kind of sleepy. The market is acting crazy. Like this is January. We are still at the first month of the year. We've got 11 months to go, and the market pretty much wants to make some adjustments, if I would call it. Okay, this right here is looking like a buy side, a buy trade. Everything's saying you buy. But guys, I'm not really going to upset. As you all know, I'm looking at something different from Euro USD. First is this, guys. Always scale out. Always, if you are stuck on the daily picture or the 4 or 1 hour, please scale out and look at something really big. This is 3 months chart. Okay, let me just show you something. The Euro USD is kind of performing something I would call a break and retest scenario. This guy right here. This is Euro USD breakouts. This guy has been here since 1982. Interesting. Since 1982, this guy has been here. Okay, so this is a trend line forming on Euro USD, and what I can tell is simply a break and retest scenario happening on this guy. So those clicking the buy buttons, I'm not really covering the upside now, as we all know. I'm watching this guy closely, guys. Okay, price moves from zones to zone, and you all will say that, come on, the next zone is this zone, but come on, man. I'm watching something else. That's the first thing to look out for. My second is this guy here. This is a yellow bar resistance in the past and now. Currently it is holding us, it's holding Euro USD. See this guy right here. If Euro USD indeed wants to go up to the upside, it must come and close or break. It must come and close this yellow bar. Okay? Euro USD must come and break this yellow bar. That is if indeed we want to go up. But if this yellow bar should stand this ground, guys, if this yellow bar should stand this ground and fight this price, fight Euro USD, fight greenback will drop back to the blue bar. And if possibilities, if this guy fails again, Euro will drop back. And once Euro drops back, we're heading down here. We'll head to parity level again. Head to parity level again before heading down to the blue bar. That will be 0.9538 region. Hold on, let me just adjust some things. Okay. Euro USD, I don't want to buy any buttons or sell anything yet. I'm watching this guy closely. This is my favorite pair, just in case. So I'm watching this guy closely. Looking like a breakout and retesting the bar. Not for me. Not for me. Okay, this yellow bar is there. This guy is present on Euro USD. The daily time frame is looking like it's fighting, but guys, I will simply come to Euro USD if indeed we break this trend line. This is the first touch, a second touch. So I'm waiting for a third and a decisive one at that. If that third one comes and breaks this trend line, I'll be happy. Okay, I will smile. Then everything will conclude if we now break and come back, start testing this blue bar. I'll come back here to give you some potential directions. Okay, if I can. All right. So EURUSD is for me, I'm not seeing anything yet. It's either we fly above, either we break above this yellow bar, we'll get here. Look, it's either we break above this yellow bar and get here, or we break this ascending trend line and start pointing to the downside. Is ideal direction. That's it. Pound GPUSD. Let me just touch something on GPUSD. Monthly time frame is kind of fighting this blue bar. It's fighting this resistance major level. Okay, just doing nothing but fighting it, acting really crazy. This last month December was like an inverted hammer. Nothing more, just confused. Okay, weekly should tell me more or something. Weeklies we are other blue bar fighting the blue bar, guys. I won't come to Euro or GBP unless we've broken above any direction. To break above this guy, once you clear this whole region, hold on, let me get something done. Once we successfully clear this whole region, supply is lying above or within this region. Supply is there. So if the pound USD, GBP USD breaks this high you want to do, if the pound breaks this high, okay, the last high it's made, if GBP USD breaks this yellow bar, then we would know that we want to start going to the upside. Want to fly up. It's just showing us nothing but upside, upside, upside. Okay. Again, we are in the blue bar, and blue bars are like the turning points of the markets. Where market tends to decide its future. Okay. This level from the past, from August or July, has been holding the pound USD from doing some funny moves. Okay. This is GBP USD in a nutshell. Let me just draw this guy right here, this trend line. It's looking like a trend line break and retest scenario. So I'm watching this guy closely, watching this guy very like, guys, very smart. Okay, I watch this guy. Once I see this guy trying to drop, like trying to fall from here, I'll catch it. I'll catch it, guys. It's almost 3 to 4 months I haven't clicked the button on GBP USD. December, November, or from this whole region, I left this guy to here. So I'm watching this guy now. I'm watching pound USD. If this guy starts to drop and starts to show signs of bleeding to the downside, I'll catch it. Then I would come alive if and when we would break this yellow bar. Once this guy breaks this yellow bar, once the pound USD breaks this yellow bar, guys, it's just coming here. And once you clear this guy, you're coming here. Okay? Simple as that. Nothing hard in it. Okay? Just simple as that. Okay? Oh, what else? Talking about. But if we break this high, this last high it made, if we break this high, we are going up. So these are two scenarios on the UPUSD, two cases. Okay, we'll watch. All right, so we'll watch this guy very closely. Watch it very closely. 1 week is just giving us some funny market movements, guys. Nothing is going on here. Okay, so we'll break above any of these direction. But now UPUSD, I'm leaving it alone. That's just it. AUD guys, just trying to clear the noise on AUD. Okay, so we all know that this is, let's go to multi-time frame. I'm seeing bullish. This is a morning star. The morning star. Okay, is this a reversal pattern on candlesticks? this guy, red, doji, green. Okay, so it's showing sign of upside bullish movements, just giving me upside. But I'm not really buying all these upsides for now, guys. It's too early. Guys, this is January, it's too early, okay? AUD is fighting this blue bar, it's fighting this zone, this turning point. I'll leave it alone. Last week closed inside of it, and this week is not yet the end, but just halfway. Today is Tuesday. Okay, so at the time of making this video, it was Tuesday morning. Yeah, Tuesday morning. Okay, so we've got a couple of days to go, 3 more days to go. Okay, AUD, what I can tell on this guy is simply again fulfilling something for me, guys. This is a trend line breakout and retest. So it's either trying to build a base and a continuation. Guys, I want to touch all these guys till they show me something that I understand. Trying to buy inside this place, trying to buy or click buttons here is critical. It's deadly. Cruisers, we all know what I'm talking about. We can't buy here, cruisers. We can't buy or sell. Just watch this guy. Do not buy or sell inside this place, okay? This your market tends to decide itself, and that's just it. I think I'm leaking a lot of secret. Let me just proceed, okay? Weekly is showing bullish scenarios. That's just it. Daily, guys. We're all trading right inside this guy. I will not touch AUD. This is a supply order right here on daily time frame on AUD. So if this guy tends to go up, just best believe that we're coming on the supply order. That's just it. Now, secondly, is this guy. This trend line. AUD. I'm watching this guy closely. I'm watching these guys, all of them. If AUD wants to go anywhere, it has to do any of these two. Break this high, this supply, and fly up, or break this trend line. If AUD should break this trend line, they are coming to this black line. If this black line fails, they are coming here. That's just the truth. If AUD fails from 0.70k region and starts dropping, we would approach 0.64841. If that guy fails to hold his ground, AUD will drop to 0.60k region. Simple. All these movements, I don't care. For now, I'll leave it alone. Now, next on my list should be gold. Gold. Did I bring gold down? Yes. I'm not really looking at gold, by the way. Gold has been acting mad for the past months, 2 whole months, guys. You see, I'm watching gold, okay? Guys, I'm watching gold with a shy eye, like just one of my eye, just watching gold from afar. It's acting crazy, guys. Gold is acting crazy. Just all this whole move was, guys, like hell. Almost. All right, look, gold. Simple as short. I won't touch gold. I would come to gold if gold disturbs this guy. Okay, I would come to gold if gold disturbs my friend, this trend line. If gold disturbs my friend, I'll tag gold. But for now, I'll leave it alone. The uptrend is still much present. This is a bullish run, it's still present. I'll leave it alone for now. So my next video will be talking about gold. If indeed I see some ideal direction on the gold. Okay. The EURUSD. Alright. Let me break this guy down. So I've been long on the EURUSD for the past 1 week. I entered long here. I and my community entered long on the EURUSD. We're long right here on this trade. We've locked in about 70% of our profits, and yes, we're currently in blows, and our exit is somewhere within this region. Okay. Now the EURUSD, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let me just break some things down on what I'm looking out for. Let me take out this guy or what you know. First is overall direction. So It's looking like a bull run. This is a monthly candlestick giving us bullish, and giving us bull signs. Okay, but I doubt it. The weekly scenario. Sorry, I know some of you are saying this is a clear uptrend. This is a clear up movement because we've broken this trend line. This is a break and retest scenario. Yes, that's true. Quite alright. Okay. And then price broke out. This is the first, second, and third evening star. Very sweet entry. Price broke out, giving us a demand, which has been tapped, by the Dow Jones. Has been tapped. Good and fine. So we're all looking at the upside. Yes, I am as well, but again, I'm not. Guys, look left. You see, last year and last 2 years, this level, this horizon was an issue for the Dow Jones, and we're currently at that region again. So what do you expect price to do? Price always respects history. Price would never ignore or snub anything. This yellow bar, this minor resistance here on the Dow Jones is the reason why we are having issues lying from this side. You see this guy, look left, since last year, April 2021, last 2 years, April 2021, July, October, November, then last year January, last year March, August, and December. Now January this year. 3 years, okay? And this level is still being recognized by price. So what would make it get ignored today and right here? Guys, it's Forex. Just happened that way, okay? US 30 is looking like it wants to go up, but this yellow bar, this guy is present here and would force this guy down. That's just it. So if the US 30 starts to drop, indeed starts to drop and breaks this level something like this, best believe we have formed a double top, and this double top would be the reason, like more reason to fuel this guy to the downside. I'm just saying, okay? All right, so I'm watching this guy very closely, guys. Since the past whole month, December and November ending, I've been on the US 30, trading US 30. So all this move, all this from this region, I've been here trading every single thing, buying and selling, and just like I'm having fun on the US 30 and the Dow Jones. Okay, so I'm watching this guy, everything and everywhere. I'm watching what he's doing. If they will start to get some rejections here, we'll drop to this yellow bar. This yellow bar froze again, heading down. Double top formation formed, downside movement. That's just it. This whole thing we are seeing right here, this is I'm kind of neutral and ignoring this trend line. Okay, why? Because this yellow bar is not just a yellow bar. 3 whole years in the game is not joke. Okay, it's not joke. So please respect it. Okay, weekly, daily time frame. All right, this guy. Now let me show you something again. Let me show you why this guy is going down. This is a clear uptrend. This was a clear uptrend, as we all know. Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, and price came and took out this low, this low, this low. If you would call it from this low, same thing, this low, same thing, this low. Right, this new low it's made right here, this new low it's made is lower than this low and this low. So with all being said, guys, the laws of PA transaction says that this guy on a bullish trend is meant to give us higher highs and higher lows. Anything other than that has broken the law and has given us some violations. Okay, so this guy was meant to be giving us higher highs and higher lows if indeed it wants to go up, but if indeed it's enjoyed the uptrend, but as it stands now, I think we are done with the upside. And for me, I'm watching this guy, okay? So that's the first thing, market structure. Now, second is this trend line, swing high or swing low to high. This is what? This is a breakout retest scenario. Breakout retest. So the Dow Jones is likely to drop. Like I said, if this guy fails to break out from this guy and takes out this low, which makes this is the first top, second top, double top. Neckline will drawn out. Once broken, more reasons to sell. Like more reasons to get to this. So this might be the ideal path for the US that if I ain't wrong on bearish confirmations, this is what the US started will do. This is about 4,000 pips to the downside. I'm watching this guy very, very close. Guys, about 4k pips in prediction. So I watch this guy. If he plays out, best believe I'm inside this trade. Or best believe I would be in this trade on this ride. Come on. Cruisers, we would all be in this trade. You all know. Alright, so weekly yellow bar resistance. Daily is a break and test on trend line and looking like want to drop. Okay. Simple as that. This green line supply here, this green line, this 34792.70 is supply order. So if this guy wants to go up again, like extend the week up, we might tap this green order for some, some technical fulfillments by price. That's just it. Simple as that. We are already fighting this yellow bar, fighting for the longest. This is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, okay? So okay. Yesterday closed inside the yellow bar. Nothing more. I'm watching this guy. If this guy should start breaking structures, I will simply close my profits, close my trades, every single thing. I'll close all my buy trades and start looking for downside movements on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, aka EURUSD. Alright? I'm watching this guy. I'm watching this guy like no other. Once you start coming down, it's here first. After here, the green line second. No, this guy's too far. After here, you're coming to the green line. Okay? Going to the green line. It's just like a staircase, a step-by-step process. If the Dow Jones breaks this trend line, I'm seeing right here, this guy I'm hoping right here. So if we could break this trend line, we're gonna drop this yellow bar 33479.73. Yellow bar stands its ground, we go up again. But yellow bar fails. If this yellow bar fails, we'll drop to 32566.58. Okay, that's just it. Dow Jones looking juicy and clean. I've been on this trade since December. I've been on the Dow Jones since December, November, spotless, just taking every move. Man, guys, look, if you want to learn all these things, just send me a DM on Telegram and I'll pull you through my course. Everything is right there for you to learn on yourself through. That's just